Hello, good evening. Tonight, can you guess what's in the box? Well, probably not, so let's have a look. We have here a Sinvitron 11-inch Magic Armor Super Clamp. The idea of this, well, the idea I bought this for is to get my mobile phone away from the tripod I'm using, because at the moment, currently, you can see a tripod leg in the way. It comes with a clamp which I'm not going to use immediately, but this is very handy. It's got a 3/8 threaded hole and a 1/4 inch threaded hole in the back, so you've got a few options there. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch thread, and this would clamp to perhaps a shelf, something near your location where you're videoing, or in fact a tripod arm. If you're going to do it on a tripod arm, I should say tripod leg, you could add a light to it, not a camera in my case, but you could add a light or a microphone, so it's quite versatile. But let's take that clamp off. You've got 1/4 inch threads on either end here. It does come with a few little adapters in the box, as you can see, but let's get cut to the point. You've got an articulated arm. It's approximately 11 inches long. Lots of choices and ways you can adjust it, but the beauty of it, in my mind anyhow, you've got one control knob. Simply turn that and everything gets locked up. That's not that obvious there. Let's put one of my old plastic adapters on there for the mobile phone. So yeah, like a loosey-goosey there. Turn the clamp, and both ends will lock solid. It's made largely of aluminium, I believe. Very nice construction. Yeah, I can't pick fault with it at the moment. I haven't used it fully. That's my intention in the next few weeks, so if there's any issues I'll post another video. But yeah, it's very nice. I'll set it up on a tripod so it'll perhaps make a little bit more sense for what it's for. Well, that's it set up on the tripod. As you can see, it gives you about 11 inches from the top of the tripod here to where the camera is, so we can actually get away from the tripod legs. That's the plan. It looks, as I say, the materials are great in it. I'm going to trial it, and as I say, any problems I'll come back to you on it, but initially it looks good. And if I do upgrade to a better camera in the future, then I can use this for lighting or a microphone. So it's multitasking really. I'll put on a leg of the tripod so you can see what the clamp's like. That's the clamp securely fitted to a tripod tube there, just to give you an impression of how it does actually function. Yeah, I'm certainly going to get some use out of this. I think it's going to be a useful addition. You can see the mobile phone, that's clamped to a WooHot mobile phone clamp. If you look on the previous video, I've reviewed that as well. That's another good product. Yeah, okay, I think that's all I can say for that. Any issues, I'll feed it back. If you've got any comments, please feel free to leave those. I'll put a link in the video to the WooHot and the Sinvitron articulated arm. Should you be interested, I got both those from Amazon. So yeah, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you think it's worth it, and why not subscribe? There's going to be more videos coming your way soon. Hit the bell, I'll tell you about them when they're available.